welcome to our new video. In this video we will learn how to prank with our friends. Okay, we will make a file like this, and when you click, your friend will click, he'll see a message, warning, your computer is hacked, click OK to accept. So what will he do in this situation? If he clicks on the OK button, it will not close. It will also not close if he clicks on cross. It will come again. He will be in a great trouble. So you are also in a great trouble. I am also in a great trouble. To how to remove it? No problem. Just go to Task Manager and fewer details, Microsoft Windows based script host. Click on it and end task. It will be gone. Okay, now at first open a new create I'm showing you from the beginning, new, and then text document, and go open it and save it as .vbs, and now you will see a file here, and I'm gonna delete it, the old one. Okay, now you will have to write a code, x equals to msg box, then you will have to write the message here between the inverted comma. So write I will show your computer is hacked, click OK to continue. Okay, then you will have to write 48 after comma, and again after a comma you will have to write the title. The title will be warning. Okay, done. Now save it. After you save it, open it, and you will see like this, your computer is hacked, click OK to continue. Now if he clicks on OK, it will be closed. So we'll have to write do at the starting position of the coding, and after at the end of the coding you will have to write loop, and save it. And if you run it again, it will not close. Wow, it's amazing. So if you want to close it, you will have to go to task manager, click, and Microsoft Windows based script host, end task. Okay friends, enjoy this, and I will meet you again in the next video.